Oh no! Jimmy's picnic basket almost falls over. Will picnic day be ruined? Whew! Jimmy saves the basket. Picnic day is safe and sound. She packs carrots, berries, juice, and cookies. Jimmy's friends Toto and Mojo are here. It's picnic time together. They walk and hop together, laughing all the way. Wow! They found the perfect picnic spot. Jimmy spreads the blanket under a shady tree. Crunch, munch, sip. Everyone enjoys yummy food. Whoosh! The wind blows the napkins away. Hop, hop. Jimmy catches them just in time. Yay! Everyone claps and laughs. After eating, it's playtime. Plip, plop, a tiny rain starts. They stay cozy together and sing a happy song. The sun comes back. A rainbow smiles above them.